You heard of ringtones on the Mitel phone? I can't remember the model number. I mean, I know the model number. I just can't remember it. Model number will be in the description if I can find it. But yeah, here's all the ringtones. Here's velocity. Skyline. Okay, enough of that. Rise. Alright, daybreak. We're not gonna listen to the whole thing. After hours. Okay, now that's something to jam to. Okay, next, open road. Pronto. Orange. Alright, next, blue. Move. That one sounds suspenseful. Classic 1. This is the ringtone used in every classroom. Classic 2. Classic 3. Classic 4. Classic 5. Classic 6. Classic 7. Classic 8. Classic 9, which is the room in 432 has. It's Classic 10, and that'll be it.